Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. Today I have the ABUS XP2, unfortunately only as a cut double Euro cylinder, but at least with the working key. It's one of the more sophisticated dimple locks from ABUS. It has 6 pins, basically with spool and barrel drivers, but also one telescopic driver pin. As an addition, it has an interactive element here in the key that operates a 7-pin that is located at the back on top of the keyway. But now, without further ado, let's put this thing in the vise and see if we can get it picked. Okay, the ABUS XP2S is now in the vise. Key still works nicely. And for tensioning I use this SP66 tensioner from Multipick, designed by LockNoob. And for picking I start with the Elite G Pro 08 and with counterclockwise tension. And the first pin to set is number 5. And I get a little cord movement here. And now let's see who's binding. Number 4 was binding. 3. Number 2 seems to be heavily binding. Number 6 is counter rotation. Now it's number 1 maybe, yes. Number 2 again. Now much more movement. And well, that's number 3 or 4 again. I don't know. It's number 6. Don't get that. Let's see if I'm already ready for the last pin. That in the back on the top. Always a bit difficult to find. Doesn't seem to be ready. It was another spool, I think. This feels better. Now maybe for the last one. Still not yet. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All feel good. Ah, no, there it is. There we go. It was number 5 again. All right. So let's close that up again. Oh, that was wrong. And take it out of the vise. And get that clip off. And get some pinning tray and a follower, and let's go. Should I put that maybe like this? Oh, I'm afraid I lost something on the way. Oh, that was bad. That's kind of a disaster. But let's see if we can rescue something. At least we have these. Oh, that's bad. Okay, at least we have the key pins in place, and there are some springs and other things. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, let's start with these. That's pin number 1. That's number 2. Take the key out. And number 3. 4, 5, and 6. And there are some key control pins. I put them here. And yeah, let's see. There must be some more. Okay, what do we have? We have some kind of barrel pin. Yes, unfortunately, I don't know which one was in which chamber. We have a very long spool. Probably it was with one of those smaller. And we have this telescope pin, which belongs there's 2 parts, like this. And this must have been in chamber number 5. And another 2 barrels. Oh no, that was 1 barrel and 1 spool. And there should be still 1 inside. And that's the last one, which is again a spool. Most probably it was something like that. And then we have some springs as well. Of course. Oops. All right. Yeah, that's the core. We have these holes for these different pins, and the last chamber is the one for that special. Let me see, which one is it? Oh, that must be this one. This has multiple parts. It consists of 3 parts, right? Is it this one? Something strange. Yeah, it must be this one because it's 6 pins and this additional one, which has a very tiny spring inside. Don't know why this is now stuck. Yeah, let's see if I can get it removed or separated. Oh. Strange. This should consist of several parts. Don't know, sorry. In any case, that's the ABUS XP2S, picked and gutted. Sorry for the gutting disaster. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.